In this video, I will address questions that many international students ask me. Question 1. How to deal with financial problems as an international student. Question 2. How to remain focused on studies while learning. Let's begin. If you are a computer science student, you are new to the country, you need to first make yourself emotionally intelligent enough to deal with and face the challenges. Mostly international students face financial problems that prevent them from focusing on their studies. I would recommend starting to create unique and genuine video content that will not only help you grow financially, but your videos can also help other students to plan and set up their career roadmap. For video content creation, you need to focus on trending keywords that can make your videos viral. For learning this skill, you need to learn search engine optimization, SEO, and video editing. I would recommend the YouTube channel of Ghulam Ali to learn SEO. But the most important thing is the consistency. Consistency leads to success. Instead of wasting your precious time watching movies, play video games, scrolling reels or shorts, or hanging out with friends, if you focus on learning and practicing these skills, you can become financially stable during your education and you can pursue your career without worrying if an employer offers you a job or not. You will become your boss. I want my students to change their mindsets about working for somebody else seeking a job opportunity, but to make a difference to other lives through their startup. If you want me to create a separate video, please comment below. For technical skills, you can focus on learning structured query language SQL or any tool such as Power BI or Tableau. This will help you learning data analysis and visualization skills. But again, the problem is to hunt for a job in the market. So instead of worrying about it, keep on creating video content and educating others. But while doing all of this, you need to keep yourself closer to Allah, because this is our belief that risk is distributed by Allah. If your intentions are pure and honest, Allah will help you grow. You need to read namaz on time, read Quran daily, whether a few lines, but with understanding, and to practice it, read powerful supplications that tell us the way to ask something from Allah. For supplications, please watch and listen to my playlist Ahifa Sajadiya. All these will make you emotionally intelligent and strong enough to face the problems in your life. Like this video, share it with your classmates and friends, and subscribe to my channel. If you need more advice or information on any topic, please comment below. Take care and fi aman nillah.